Hi everyone, this is Santosh from Government College of Engineering, Tanjavur. Today I am going to show you how to install Raspberry OS in Raspberry Pi. So getting started, just go to Raspberry Pi website, go to software, click for Raspberry Pi imager here. According to your version using Windows, I am using Windows, so I am going to download the Windows file. So if you are using Mac OS or Ubuntu, you can use this another files. So we have downloaded the imager here. Just install this, run a Raspberry Pi imager, then click finish. There is a Raspberry Pi imager. Just we need to choose the OS here. We are going to use Raspberry Pi others. We are going to use Raspberry Pi OS 64-bit. Choose the storage. I am using the SD card. Here I'm going to write this image here. So all the existing data in SDXC card will be erased. So everything inside this SD card will be erased and the new image will be, the Raspberry Pi image will be inserted there. Verifying the software. After downloading, it gets verified. Now we can remove the SD card from the reader.